best choice for smart lighting is clear when you do the math. Have you ever noticed how many bulbs are in your house? Imagine having to buy new smart bulbs to replace all of them. That can get really expensive. Why do that when you can make your regular bulbs smart? That's what Caséta by Lutron does by putting the brains in the switch. You've always controlled your lights. And since one switch can control a lot of bulbs, like smart switches instead of smart bulbs can save you a lot of money. And here's something else. If someone flips on the power to the smart bulb and the switch, it's no longer smart. But Caséta is always ready to go, even when the switch is on. Plus, with more ways to control, anyone in the house can adjust the lights. And it's the most connected smart lighting control brand on the market, so you can rest easy that it will work well with most smart devices you have now and the ones you'll get tomorrow. Because Caséta works with your home's existing wiring, installation is a breeze. If you need support, it's just a click or phone call away. No wonder Caséta is highly rated by homeowners, lighting pros, and reviewers alike. When you add it all up, it's clear. Caséta by Lutron is the smarter choice for smart lighting.